Are you weary of being overwhelmed when purchasing a car? In today's video on Enriching Your Life, we have an extremely special episode for you all today. A qualified accountant who we have worked with will be offering professional advice on how to minimize costs while purchasing a car. Thus, stay put if you want to ensure that you're receiving the greatest bargain. Importance of budgeting. The first step in saving money when buying a car is to create a budget. Many people make the mistake of falling in love with an automobile first and then attempting to find out how to afford it. This is exactly what dealerships want you to do, but it's not the best way to approach car buying. Setting a budget beforehand ensures that you know exactly how much you can afford to spend and will not be tempted by flashy marketing strategies. Research. Once you've determined your budget, the following step is to conduct research. Here's where the internet becomes your best buddy. Look up the make and model of the automobile you're interested in, then compare pricing at several dealerships. You should also research the car's average resale value to determine what you may anticipate receiving if you decide to sell it in the future. Being well-informed will help you negotiate a reasonable price. Consider used or new cars. Think about purchasing a second-hand car as one of the finest methods to save money. New cars lose value the instant you drive them off the lot, whereas second-hand autos have already taken the initial knock. Furthermore, used cars are typically less expensive to insure and require reduced registration payments. Just make sure to have a competent mechanic analyze the vehicle before purchasing to avoid any pricey surprises down the line. When purchasing an automobile, it is critical to investigate both new and used vehicles. New cars provide various advantages, like being more shiny, reliable, and safer, and they frequently come with warranties. However, if the timing is right, you can get a decent deal on the car. In the United Kingdom, March and September are popular car buying months because new number plates are released. Used cars often depreciate in early October, and any remaining vehicles will be less expensive by the end of the year. Purchasing a new car is frequently less financially safe since studies show that a new car can depreciate by 15 to 35% after the first 12 months and by 50% or more over the next 3 years. On the other side, purchasing a used automobile can save you money in the long run, with the sweet spot for used cars often ranging from 3 to 5 years old. Negotiate like a pro. When it comes to negotiating the price of an automobile, don't be scared to bargain. Dealerships expect it, and it is an entirely typical aspect of the car buying process. Begin by presenting a reasonable offer based on your research and budget. If the dealer won't move, be prepared to walk away. Remember, there are lots of other cars available, and you should not settle for a price that you are uncomfortable with. Financing options. Before you sign on the dotted line, make sure you look into all of your financing choices. While financing through a dealership may be easier, the interest rates are generally higher. Consider getting pre-approved for a loan from a bank or credit union, as they often have better conditions. Simply compare rates and terms to determine which choice is best for your budget. The cost of purchasing a new car in the UK varies according to the type of purchase, which includes outright hire, purchase, bank loan, lease, or PCP. The cheapest alternative is an outright purchase, in which you pay the full price without interest. Higher buy choices include making a larger purchase through a dealership, paying a deposit, and borrowing the remainder at a fixed interest rate for a specified number of years. Personal bank loans have lower rates than dealership purchases. Have you ever wondered how to drive a brand new car without breaking the bank? Leasing is similar to renting, but you pay monthly to use the vehicle and return it at the end of the term. The dealership estimates the depreciation throughout your ownership and divides it into monthly payments, which include fees and interest. The fourth PCP is an option in which you set your deposit amount, and the dealership delivers a value or assigned value for the automobile at the end of the contract. Finally, the cost of purchasing a new automobile in the UK is determined by several aspects, including the mode of purchase, contract length, deposit amount, and dealership. Shopping around and factoring in insurance prices might help you make more informed car buying selections. When budgeting for a car, it is important to consider factors such as driving history, the car you are buying, your location, and the insurance provider you choose. To save on insurance costs, shop around and compare prices from different providers. The average used car driver spends around £1,300 annually on car repairs and maintenance, including petrol repairs and breakdowns. To keep repair costs low, consider other options beyond dealerships, such as local garages, authorized garages from the car manufacturer, and doing it yourself. Local garages can often provide high-quality service at a lower cost, while authorized garages are often staffed by skilled mechanics. Doing it yourself can be a more affordable option, as it allows you to learn the mechanic's skills and work on your repair work. When finishing the transaction, be aware of any add-ons or extras that the dealership may try to offer you. These can be costly and needless. Extended warranties, paint protection, and fabric treatments are frequently pushed up greatly. If you're interested in any of these extras, do some research to see if you can get a better offer elsewhere. Thank you everyone for watching. We hope you find these money-saving car buying suggestions useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please share them in the comments section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Until the next time, happy car shopping.